In this video, I'll guide you through how to create booking pages in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional-looking booking page that people can use to schedule time with you without all the back and forth emails. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for scheduling. This is important because your booking page will pull directly from this calendar to show when you're available and to block off times once someone books. Once your calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main menu, you'll see an option called Booking Pages. If you're not seeing it right away, you may need to scroll a bit or collapse any other sections that are expanded. This section is where Google keeps all of your existing booking pages and where you'll create new ones. To create a new booking page, click the plus icon next to Booking Pages. This opens the setup screen where you can customize how your booking page will work. Take your time here because the options you choose will affect how easy it is for people to schedule with you. Start by adding a clear title for your booking page. Think about what someone booking an appointment needs to know at a glance. For example, you might call it intro call, consultation, or office hours. The title will appear on the booking page, so make it descriptive but simple. Next, set the duration of each appointment. This is how long each booking will last on your calendar. Common options are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but you can choose what fits your workflow best. Remember that shorter meetings can allow more bookings in a day, but longer ones might be better for in-depth conversations. Now, select your availability. This tells Google Calendar which days and times you want to offer for bookings. You can choose specific weekdays and time ranges, like Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, or you can customize certain days if your schedule varies. It's a good idea to leave some buffer in your day so you're not booked solid from morning to evening. Then choose which calendar you want bookings to appear on. If you use multiple calendars, make sure you pick the one you actually use to manage your time. Any confirmed bookings will show up there and will also automatically block out that time so you don't get double booked. When you're happy with these basic settings, click Next to move on. On the next screen, you'll choose the location and conferencing options. Here you can decide whether the meeting will be in person, over the phone, or virtual. If you select an online option, you can usually have Google automatically add a video conferencing link, like a Meet link, to each booking. This saves you from having to send out separate invites later. After that, add a description and adjust the booking form. The description is a great place to explain what the meeting is for, what someone should prepare, or any expectations they should know ahead of time. Then look at the booking form fields. You can typically collect basic information like name and email, and in many cases you can add custom questions such as asking for a topic or any notes. Only ask for what you really need so the form stays quick and easy to complete. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will create your booking page and give you a link you can share by email on your website or in your social profiles. Anyone with the link can pick a time within the availability you set, and you'll see bookings appear automatically on your calendar